Thank you.
Ay, dito, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hello, vlog! Welcome to my guys!
Hi, good morning. I'm here at McDonald's Evercommonwealth branch. Hello. I'm here another celebration, a second celebration of my birthday today, May 31. Hi, good morning. And God bless. And I'm so happy because this is my second celebration of my birthday. I'm here at McDonald's. Hi there. I love you. Thank you for watching. Hi.